Hi, I'm Chandria Singleton, a registered radiologic technologist of over 22 years, and I am your ASRT ambassador for National Radiologic Technology Week. And the ASRT has sent us a little box of goodies, so I can't figure out what's in it. So are you ready to unbox it with me? Let's get started. But there's a problem. I've got to be surprised just like you all, so I've enlisted a little help. Wave to the audience, hon. That is another radiologic technologist who lives here, my husband. Let's get to unboxing. So I'm gonna cover my eyes. I promise I will not look as he hands me each, just one at a time. Oh, so let's see what this is. I wanna give you my honest reaction, everyone. It's a poster. I love it. This is so colorful. The Be Seen campaign, as you all know, it is one of my favorites. I love this. This can go up in departments. You can frame it. I mean, this is historic. Okay, let's get to the next one. Close my eyes again. I want to be surprised. Okay. Oh, this is nice. And we all need something for our coffee, tea. This is a tumbler. So I'm definitely going to use it because I'm a tea drinker and a water drinker. I'm excited. What else we got? What else we got? Oh, okay. Oh, this is cute. This is nice. This is real nice. Always on the front line of healthcare, it's time for us to be seen. You guys, this is really, really nice. We are all set. We can even put our pizza that the department's gonna give you in. Next item, please. Eyes are closed. Oh, another. The colors are gorgeous. This is really nice. Like if you have this in your department everywhere, everybody's going to see us. Okay, so hot. Maybe you need a quick drink. This is if you want to just kind of throw some infused water. This is where I think I'm going to put my water in this. Okay, I'm ready. I got more in there. Ooh. Oh. Okay, this is a lot in here. So where are my folks that love a good pen and paper and notepad, because I'm one of those people. Oh, it's a lot in here. Oh, this is for those of us that really don't like to carry purses. Y'all, this is how I'm using this. I am not a big purse kind of gal, so this is perfect. Got this here. I'm gonna set that there. Oh, I always need a can opener. I don't know about you guys, but I'm always in need of a can opener. Got a measureless something. This is gonna come in handy. Oh my goodness, this is cute. Measurement tool, and everybody needs a badge holder, and this is talking about our National Rad Tech Week. I always need it, and the cover of this is really nice. It's not slick or anything. It's actually got fabric to it. Nice little notepad in here. This is pretty heavy and sturdy too. I just want to say that. And it has a page marker, a book marker there, and onto some pens. Gotta love the pens. Look at this. Look at this, you guys. This is going on my desk. Ooh, it sounds like he's bending down for more stuff, y'all. Oh my goodness, this is nice. He says something. Wait, get a close up. Let me put the top on so you can get a close up. I'm gonna construct this. This thing is huge. It's gonna fit inside of my car cup holder just fine. And in RTW 2024, the message is loud and clear. We are on the front lines. I plan to use every last one of these items. These are things that I would actually use. What about you? Oh, I got another one. I thought this was it. Okay, let me close my eyes. What? How did I not think this was going to be enough? Wow, I could feel it. I didn't even need to open my eyes. Y'all, I got something to carry all my stuff in it. It's got the little pocket so I can put this on the side. Maybe you're wondering how to use this. I'm showing you how you can use it. Can y'all not tell I'm excited? I'm excited. And I can put all my little stuff in. Put your pens right there. Look at this. These are all the ways you can use every last one of these gifts and easily take them with you. You can put anything else in this tote that you want. I love it. This unboxing was so much fun, and I plan to use every last one of these things, and I'd love to know how you plan to use it when you go to asrt.org and grab your own merch for National Radiologic Technology Week 2024. Wow, I I was already excited about National Radiologic Technology Week, but this unboxing just, it gave me a whole new insight, and I hope it excited you as well. Thank you, ASRT, for recognizing the hard work that medical imaging professionals and radiation therapists do in the field of radiology and medical imaging. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. It really just shows how amazing our profession is. And again, I'm very happy to be in the profession of medical imaging and radiation therapy.